So welcoming you guys to the Travelog 15. Today we are at Nuwakot, a place which is pretty far from the Ketan, thought as much as far it can get. It is about 3 hours from the Ketan as we get to this beautiful and amazing place. What we have here is a darbar, which is the Nuwakot Darbar, which is a 7-story building, and in each story there's something really different about it. As you can see, the whole place, the whole palace itself, the whole darbar itself has got something totally unique to it. The place and each story is not that heighted, but the seventh story, which is, it has got a small cabin out there where the prisoners were kept and they were sentenced to death there. It's just 4 feet tall, and in each floor, on the 6th floor, as I just read on it, on the 6th floor there was a feast ceremony that always happened until today. On the day of marking Bhairav festival, there is an amazing festival that is marked here still. And while looking at the view and while looking at the place, it is really beautiful. It's got more of greens and you can see the hills around. The whole place is really peaceful. There are not much of residentials, but it seems like a really chilled out place. And while talking more about what is in here, the Darbar Square is there, and then there's another temple which is a 5-minute walk, and to get here is really simple. You gotta drive here. It is a 3-hour drive, and the drive is not that difficult, but you have to be an expert at it because it's got rounds and it's got too much of twists and turns. This room itself is of Prithvi Narayan Shah, His Majesty Prithvi Narayan Shah, and this is his bed where we have the whole hierarchy starting from the first one till the last. We have all of them right here, and in each of the museum, in each of the darbar, we mostly see the whole hierarchy which is still there. No more a monarchy, that's what we have in Nepal, but still it is really nice to see the whole way we did worship our king. And this one is his personal bedroom, and on the other side there's another room that is the room for his queens. That's the bed, and the place itself gives a whole, you can get back to what history was like, and that is the box where Prithvi Narayan Shah's personal were kept. And today there are many people who've come to visit this place because it's a Saturday, and this place is open each day with different rates for foreigners and for Nepali citizens, which is on the 2nd floor. And while I'm climbing to the stairs is really, it doesn't have a side where I can hold on to it. It's really difficult, but I'm sure I was for them, because there's another door to it, and I'm sure this would just get shut because each story has something really unique and something different, and this was it. These are the wooden objects. This is on the 2nd story where different wooden objects have been kept, and different type of the architecture to it and how perfectly it has been carved and it has been done is what architecture is all about. And this is one of the windows which was a part of the Darbar Square itself, and these are different idols around. And while talking about the idols too, there are different pieces of woodcraft where there are struts, there are sculptures, there are windows, and these struts are called tudal in Nepali dialect, with the artistic beauty and religious motifs collectively supporting the roof above through the horizontal beams of the sloping roof that you can see right here. But while we're talking about sculptures and the windows, which has a magnificent view, so I'm sure if we were staying here, if the view towards the place is so beautiful that it looks really nice. And there's got another Kaleju temple which is down. But to talk about the ancient times and to talk about the whole darbar and the whole place, it is one of the pieces around Ketan that one should visit. Thank you so much for getting on with Travelog 15. Travel to Nuwakot it is, and travel with Shikha. Thank you. This is what the darbar looks like, and in 1744 AD, Prithvi Narayan Shah, the first king of Nepal, got this place all by himself, and this is 251 years old. And as you can see, that's a 7-story building. In each story, that's what we were talking about. That's the glimpse of the whole darbar. It looks magnificently beautiful, and it is one of the tallest ones around the place. So make sure that you have a glimpse of it. You come around this place and get to the darbar for sure. Thank you.